Hey, welcome to GP Venture Boracay Walk. Let's go, Raven. It's past 1 p.m. This is how it looks here in Boracay. This is going to Station 2. By the way, today is Sunday. Here. So good in the field. No, don't rush. Because we're gonna get pagod. We're just relaxing. That is epic.
I wanna crawl.
Like, like what crawling?
I wanna crawl.
Crawling like.
Like you're just crawling on the beach. If I can do that, I will.
Then you tally your paa.
I also wanna swim.
I do
But
that.
I'm not good to learn.
I do that a lot to make the sea much saltier.
Yeah, I know. You make the sea much hotter.
The hotter and saltier.
Wait, how are you gonna make their subscribers listen to what are we talking about?
They're eavesdropping.
Yeah, exactly.
So,
Should make a podcast.
okay. We can talk while we're walking, so they're seeing the view and listening to our small talks.
Pep talk.
Yeah. You hi to some foreigners, so you go hi to our camera, okay?
I do.
We do that. We try to do that not right now.
I'm a foreigner myself.
Do that.
Dude, the dude is really
Hey, there's a poste here.
Gonna bangga to it.
You might get bangga, so
Oh wait, I just bangga to the planet.
wow.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just wow. There's a part
Oh
that
my God, no.
there's a lot of dumi like that.
Not do it.
It's like snow. The sound.
Go you.
For what?
For jumping around. I wish there's a good way to like swim over there.
There is a music.
I don't hear anything.
Okay. You don't hear it, the camera won't hear it.
Yeah, but I feel like somebody's straight ahead.
There's like a band here on this part.
This part.
Yeah.
Ay, pag may naghahanap lang naman ako, it's really frustrating to walk and walk.
Should we go back in the water or in that side now?
But
In the water pa rin.
I wanna crawl. But I'm gonna get tangled in it.
Yeah, it's also a good spot here. In this area.
Probably stay here.
With the lifeguard. In the Lase. Yeah.
We should
It's
try.
also a good spot to
That
to
one.
put some banig and just sit. It's malilim also. Not so crowded part of Boracay.
Yeah.
But look, it's so far. Oh, hanggang dun pa siya.
Yeah.
I think that's station 3.
Yeah.
I cannot walk on that part na. I'm tired. But as you can see,
Does Boracay have station 10?
no, it's just 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, what
Are
about
you
four?
peanuts? Are you peanuts or something?
Is there a 4?
No. I just said 1, 2, and 3. Those are the
What
3
about
stations.
Station X?
Station X is just a name of a hotel or something.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Oh my god, the big paddle boarding.
Ooh, the paddle boarding.
Dude, you're getting scammed.
Show some paddleboard. Show some paddleboard skills.
If I were you, I already stand up and fall. But dude. Bet you 1K that he's gonna fall.
Cannot even stand.
Bet you 1K that he's gonna stand but fall.
If you're watching this,
We're sorry.
we're sorry.
You just have this really attitude of
That one is a good one.
those Korean.
Shout out to all other nations. No, let's everything is. People ready. This is the swimming area.
Ruin Chinese. Ni hao ma. Ni hao.
Let's go back. Okay.
Please, we love you.
Trying to go back
We
now.
love you.
This
So,
is
bye.
love you guys.
Bye.
Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy
Eavesdropping with us.
walking and eavesdropping. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye. Okay, the guy got back on his feet.
Yeah. Let's walk now.
Okay.